Reliability isn't proven on the range, it's proven when everything starts to fail. Dirt, debris, extreme conditions, and non-stop firing can turn even good pistols into useless metal. But not these. In today's video, we're putting 7 top pistols through brutal torture tests to find out which ones truly deserve your trust in 2026. From mud-filled internals to high-round endurance runs, these handguns are pushed beyond their limits. The results? Some shocking, some expected, but all brutally honest. If you care about performance when it matters most, you're in the right place. This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote harm or unsafe use of firearms. Number 7. Glock 19 Gen 5. When it comes to raw, no-nonsense reliability, the Glock 19 Gen 5 doesn't just compete, it dominates. In brutal torture tests, this pistol is pushed far beyond normal use, and it keeps firing like nothing happened. Packed with Glock's signature safe action system and a refined Gen 5 trigger, this handgun is engineered for consistency under pressure. In mud tests, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is submerged, dragged through thick sludge, and fired immediately after no hesitation, no failure to feed. Sand tests are even harsher, where fine particles invade every moving part, yet the pistol cycles round after round without jamming. Water immersion? Whether soaked or dripping wet, it continues to perform flawlessly. Even during rapid-fire endurance tests exceeding thousands of rounds, overheating and wear barely affect its function. The absence of finger grooves improves grip adaptability, while the NDLC finish enhances corrosion resistance, making it ideal for extreme environments. Drop tests from multiple angles show zero compromise in safety or performance. This is why law enforcement and military units worldwide trust it. The Glock 19 Gen 5 isn't just reliable, it's nearly indestructible under real-world torture conditions. Number 6. SIG Sauer P320 Compact. The SIG Sauer P320 Compact is not just another striker-fired pistol. It's a combat-proven platform that has earned its reputation through extreme torture testing and real-world deployment. Built on the same foundation as the U.S. military's M17 and M18, this pistol is designed to perform under relentless stress. In mud tests, the P320 Compact is buried, soaked, and immediately brought into action, firing cleanly without hesitation. Sand torture pushes it even further, with fine debris entering the slide and trigger system. Yet, the pistol maintains smooth cycling and consistent ejection. During water immersion tests, whether fully submerged or rapidly drenched, it continues to operate with remarkable reliability. High round count endurance tests reveal its true strength. Thousands of rounds fired back-to-back with minimal wear and no critical malfunctions. Its modular fire control unit adds structural integrity while simplifying maintenance, a key advantage under harsh conditions. Even in drop tests, the pistol demonstrates solid durability and dependable performance. The SIG Sauer P320 Compact proves that it's not just built for the range, it's engineered to survive and perform in the most punishing environments imaginable. Number 5. HKVP9. The HKVP9 is where precision engineering meets absolute battlefield-level reliability. Built by Heckler & Koch, a brand known for over-engineering its firearms, the VP9 thrives in torture tests that push pistols to their limits. In extreme mud conditions, this handgun is coated, clogged, and immediately fired, yet it cycles with surprising smoothness, showing almost no hesitation. Sand tests are even more brutal, with fine grains entering every gap. But the VP9 continues to feed, fire, and eject with consistent precision. What truly sets it apart is its performance in extreme temperature testing, whether frozen, solid, or exposed to intense heat. The striker-fired system remains dependable. Water immersion tests prove equally impressive, with the pistol firing reliably even when completely soaked. During high round count endurance testing, thousands of rounds are fired rapidly, and the VP9 maintains accuracy and function with minimal wear. Its ergonomic grip and customizable panels ensure a secure hold even in wet or dirty conditions, reducing user-induced errors. Drop tests further confirm its rugged construction, with no compromise in safety or operation. The HKVP9 isn't just reliable, it's engineered to perform flawlessly in conditions where most pistols begin to fail. Number 4. FN 509 Compact Tactical. The FN 509 Compact Tactical is built with one purpose: survive extreme abuse and keep firing without compromise. Designed from the legendary FN 509 platform, this pistol was engineered to meet rigorous military standards, and its torture test performance proves it. In mud tests, the pistol is submerged, dragged, and immediately put into action, yet it cycles flawlessly with no visible hesitation. Sand torture pushes the limits even further, with debris entering the slide and barrel. But the FN 509 Compact Tactical continues to feed and eject with precision. Its enhanced internal components and robust slide design help it maintain function even under severe contamination. Water immersion tests show the same consistency fully soaked. The pistol fires reliably without misfires or delays. During high round count endurance tests, thousands of rounds are fired rapidly, and the pistol maintains structural integrity with minimal wear. Its threaded barrel and suppressor-ready design add extra stress factors, yet reliability remains unaffected. Drop tests from multiple angles confirm its durability, with no compromise in performance or safety. The FN 509 Compact Tactical stands as a true combat-ready pistol, engineered to endure the harshest torture conditions and still deliver unmatched reliability. Number 3. SIG P10C. The SIG P10C has quietly built a reputation as one of the most rugged and dependable striker-fired pistols in its class, and under torture testing, it proves exactly why. Designed as a direct competitor to some of the most trusted duty pistols in the world, the P10C thrives in harsh, unforgiving environments. In mud tests, it's dragged through thick, sticky terrain and immediately fired, showing strong resistance to clogging and maintaining smooth cycling. Sand tests push the pistol even harder, forcing fine debris into critical components. Yet the P10C continues to feed and eject rounds with impressive consistency. Water immersion is no challenge either whether drenched or fully submerged. It performs without hesitation. During high round count endurance tests, thousands of rounds are fired rapidly, and the pistol holds up with minimal wear and no major malfunctions. Its robust frame and well-balanced internal design contribute to its reliability, while the aggressive grip texture ensures control even in wet or dirty conditions. Drop tests confirm its toughness, with no impact on performance or safety. The SIG P10C isn't just a competitor, it's a proven workhorse built to withstand serious torture and keep running when it matters most. Number 2. Walther PDP Compact. The Walther PDP Compact is a modern powerhouse that blends performance with exceptional reliability, and under torture testing, it proves it's built for far more than just the range. Engineered with Walther's advanced design philosophy, this pistol handles extreme conditions with impressive consistency. In mud tests, it's pushed into thick, sticky terrain and fired immediately, showing strong resistance to fouling and maintaining smooth operation. Sand tests introduce fine particles into every moving part, yet the PDP Compact continues to cycle rounds cleanly with minimal disruption. Water immersion testing further highlights its dependability. Whether soaked or dripping wet, it fires without hesitation. During high round count endurance tests, thousands of rounds are pushed through the pistol rapidly, and it maintains performance with very little wear or slowdown. Its robust slide design and enhanced internals contribute to long-term durability, while the ergonomic grip ensures control even in slippery or dirty conditions. Drop tests confirm its structural strength, with no compromise in safety or function. The Walther PDP Compact stands as a next-generation duty pistol, capable of enduring brutal torture tests while delivering reliable, consistent performance every time. Number 1. Beretta PX4 Storm Compact. The Beretta PX4 Storm Compact brings a unique design to the battlefield of reliability, and in torture tests, it proves that innovation can be just as tough as tradition. Featuring a rotating barrel system instead of the typical tilting design, this pistol reduces recoil stress and enhances long-term durability under extreme conditions. In mud tests, the PX4 is heavily coated and immediately fired, yet it continues to cycle smoothly with minimal resistance. Sand tests challenge its internal system, forcing debris into the slide and barrel, but the pistol maintains consistent feeding and ejection without major issues. Water immersion testing shows equally strong results, as the PX4 fires reliably even when completely soaked. During high round count endurance tests, thousands of rounds are fired rapidly, and the rotating barrel system helps distribute wear more evenly, preserving performance over time. Its solid construction and balanced design contribute to overall reliability, even in punishing environments. Drop tests further confirm its toughness, with no loss in functionality or safety. The Beretta PX4 Storm Compact stands as a testament to smart engineering, delivering dependable performance even when pushed through the harshest torture conditions imaginable. Outro. When everything is on the line, reliability is the only thing that matters. These 7 pistols proved they can handle the worst and still perform. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which one would you trust when it matters most. Stay ready, and I'll see you in the next one.